Hi everybody, this is Mike from Cappsure, and I'm going to show you how to do a very simple maintenance report using Cappsure's mobile app. When you get to the mobile device, you'll see your properties. You could slide the inventory of properties back and forth. You're going to select the property that's GPS located close to you, which will be the ones closer to the left. I'm going to go ahead and select Eagle Rock Estates. Now each property has a geofence. You have to be inside the geofence when you do your reports using the mobile app. So we're going to go ahead and do a maintenance report. I'm going to go ahead and click on the lawnmower, which means the maintenance report. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the fact that we remove weeds. In these reports, then I'm going to go ahead and click on remove weeds. And then I'll click on the line item, remove weeds. I'll then select an area on the map that we started removing weeds. Let's say, for example, it was right here. And then I'll select a secondary point to draw lines. And then I'll create a third point. So it's that easy to draw lines. If I wanted to mark another service item, like let's say I picked up trash at the property, I'll go ahead and I'll say we picked up trash. I'll select the line item, and then I'll go back over this way and kind of mark this area as an area where we would have cleaned up trash. Okay, so it's that easy to create service reports. These reports are great to share with property managers or for management or field supervisors to be able to review what their crews have done in the field. They can add photos and notes by going to the shopping cart very easily, okay, for any line item, and those will be saved with the report. When they're all done with the report, they go to the thumbs up and they click the thumbs up to finalize the report. That's how easy it is to share and create reports right from the field real time. So if you do have any questions, you can always go to, and want to see more videos, instructional ones, you can go right to the home screen of Cappsure, and you will see the red question mark here, which will provide you with a lot of instructional videos on how to use the app. So please call me if you have any questions. Go to 702-429-1790, or you go to info@cappsure.com, send us an email, or go to our website, www.cappsure.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.